Good day, ma'am. I am Danica Santos from the section of 338-1, and I am going to present is all about the SEMEN analysis. So first is the lesson objective, which is to explain the importance of SEMEN analysis and to analyze the forensic examination of the semen. So let's start with the semen and sperm. So, ano ba yung semen? So, ang semen is the fluid released through the penis during the orgasm. So, we are all familiar naman siguro about the semen. And also, the semen contains the sugar that becomes the energy source of the sperm. So, ano naman ng sperm? Ang sperm is the microscopic cell that is part of the semen. And yes, ang semen is nagko-contain siya ng millions and billions of microscopic cell. And also, the job of sperm is to fertilize the egg inside the woman's body. And in criminal cases, semen is the second fluid that most commonly founded at the crime scene. So, next is the semen analysis. So, semen analysis is the identification of the semen is of great value in medical legal practice like alleged rape cases, or in sexual assault. So, ang primary aim ng forensic semen analysis is to sample and examine those smears or other biological material taken from the assailants, the victim, or stains found on clothes at the crime scene. So, yun ang primary goal niya. So, nakikita niyo dyan sa picture dyan is yung mga medical, legal examiner is ine-examine nila yung possible assailant or yung victim dito sa picture. So, next is the presumptive test for semen or the semen detection. So, first is the visual alternative light source or ALS, which is gumagamit sila ng ultraviolet light to detect or easily detect those stains na nafa-found sa crime scene. So, using that ultraviolet devices is mas makikita siya ng ating naked eye. So, next is the acid phosphatase test or the AP test. Sabi rin dito is that the more the semen is, the deeper the purple. So, nakikita nyo dyan, pagka purple siya, is that positive siya in the semen. So, next is the prostate specific antigen or PSA. So, kapareho lang siya ng pregnancy test or ng mga PT. So, pagkadalawang guhit is that positive siya sa semen. So, ang PSA is the produced in high amount by the male prostate gland but can also be found in the very small amounts in fecal matter and breast milk. So, next is the confirmatory test for semen. So, meron tayo dito is the Christmas tree stain, which is the staining technique using microscopically to identify those sperm. So, nagbibigay siya ng two color, which is yung red and the green. So, pag sinabing red, is that yun yung head, and the green is the tail. So, next is the RCID semen strip test, or this is dinisign siya for the fast, easy, and reliable detection of human fluids from a variety of sample. So, next is the collecting of DNA evidence with semen. So, unang-una dyan is to absorb the suspected liquid semen. So, in-air dry siya and sinaswab siya and pinapak siya with the clean envelope or clean bottles or containers. So, next is to submit the suspected semen stain to the laboratory, and kailangan mo ding i-define yung investigator role to ensure the scene integrity and to conduct the scene walkthrough and secure the required resources. So, next naman natin dyan is yung isa rin sa importante, which is dinodocumenting the scene. So, dinidevelop nila yung mga written documentation, also pinophotograph and binivideotape din nila yung scene, and nilolocate din nila yung for the interview ang mga victim and witnesses. So, next is the processing evidence at the scene, which is ina-assemble the assessing evidence assessing processing team, and ino-organize din nila yung mga evidence processing. Also, kino-control din nila yung scene contamination, and ina-identify nila, pina-preserve, kino-collect, ina-inventory, and tina-transport din nila lahat ng evidence that is founded at the crime scene. So, next is to release the scene. So, when the final survey is already completed, so you can submit those report and release the scene immediately, and make sure all the investigative steps are all conducted. So next is the importance of semen analysis in criminal investigation. So unang-una is the DNA. So the DNA can help in successfully linking semen to a suspect. So through the DNA typing, so isa yan sa importance. And next is medical legal. So the doctors and investigator will know if the rape happened. So as I say kanina sa semen analysis, nagko-conducted sila ng mga biological evidence, or I mean at tinetest nila and ina-examine nila yung mga assailants and victim. So next is the justice. Yes, inad ko lang yung justice kasi when we prove the DNA kasi, pag na-prove natin is that na-prove natin yung suspect sa isang crime like the sexual assault or rape cases, is malaking hustisya na yun. So, doon po nagtatapos ng aking report sa semen analysis. Thank you po.